I'm Andy, and this is my wife Claire. In this video, we continue our European tour by visiting one of the most extravagant places in Italy, Bellagio on Lake Como. We are on a mission to taste the local wine, the local cheese, and most importantly, the local Parma ham. Watch as we navigate the bustling streets, enjoy the Italian hospitality in the cafes and restaurants, and visit local merchants on our Italian foodie adventure.
We are in the Damaso region of Lake Como and we're staying at Piccolo Camping, but today we are going to go to Bellagio.
Bellagio?
Bellagio. Bellagio. Sun's shining, probably looks warmer than what it is.
We've got the same outfits on.
Seeing as you brought it up, Claire, it's time to explain to our viewers the European tour clothing situation. Claire was in charge of packing our clothes for the trip, whilst I dealt with the van, the documents, bookings, logistics, dog papers, insurances, and many other things. Claire packed a few boxes of clothes for a holiday, like as in a summer holiday. However, being only April and spending most of our time around the Alps, the temperatures were hovering around 5 degrees. We found that we had a couple of outfits each for the whole trip. This is why you'll see that we are the most unglamorous couple in the whole of Bellagio, Lake Como. Claire thinks it's important that you all know that we do scrub up reasonably well. So here's a photo of us looking fashionable, here's another, and here's another.
Coming out onto the main road, we need to find a bus stop. Alright, we're at the bus stop. So we're on the bus. Pablo's shaking. I'm shaking because it's rather fast. I find it surprising that she drives this fast, but she was still 6 minutes late. After an exhilarating bus ride.
Yeah, it was quite scary, but we're here.
But we finally made it. We're in Cadenabia. And we're going to cross to Bellagio, which is over there. That looks like our boat. We're boarding the boat. We're sat at the front, we're not sat at the back because we're not that hard and we're not the cock of this boat yet. But on the way back, we're going at the back of the boat, all right?
We'll have some beers.
And we're going to take all the back seat, all right?
Okay.
So if you look online, it'll say that you need a muzzle. But we didn't get a muzzle and they let Claire on, no problem.
Take you to Bellagio.
Bellagio, Pelagio, Piaggio, bellissimo. I think we should go here.
Okay, yeah.
If we can get a table, get some breakfast.
Yeah, in the sun if we can.
Breakfast is served.
Breakfast in Italy today.
Try and get away from this van, making a right racket, ruining the ambiance.
These are great little streets, aren't they?
Fresh pasta. What's this? Look at that.
Wine tasting shop.
A wine tasting shop, and we're going to walk past.
Come on, let's get in.
If the dog likes beer, I might get a nice bottle of wine, Claire.
I think we should definitely get one.
I'm a Roni.
Amarone section, Barolo section, Barbaresco section, Toscany, the Brunello Chianti, and the Super Toscano. Oh, this is very nice for the coast.
So that's the big bold one, yeah?
This big boulder, yes.
Can we try that?
We have open for tasting.
Perfect.
Normally, it depends the year, but 3 to 4,000 bottles per year, no more. Prego.
Ah, okay. Let's have a look. Oh, smell that.
Yeah, delicious. We want it.
Oh, what a bouquet.
Thanks, what a bad wine. Can I have a try? It smells really deep.
Yeah, it's nice, huh?
Yeah, let's have one of them. €20, and we spent that much on a bottle of wine.
Not 20, it's 38. Can we have some more? Got a little bit of a buzz on from that wine tasting.
Beautiful, isn't it?
This is what we've got. I think we might have taken a wrong turn here.
Yeah, if we turn around, I think that's somebody's drive.
I'm glad we didn't drive down here. Tell you, look at that. It's the size of tomatoes in Italy. Oh look, honestly, you will not believe this. Have you seen these, Claire?
Yeah, I've seen them.
If they're the slices, imagine how big a full one is.
I love a good tomato.
Coming through. A terrace?
Yes, it is in the left, it's close in the right.
Ah, okay. Is it sunshine?
Yeah.
Sunshine, yeah? Let's go to the terrace.
Oh yeah, this is it here.
Ciao.
Ciao.
So we are beer tasting and Aperol spritz tasting.
Yep, I'm drinking this for my friend Marley, who introduced me to Aperol.
There's a shout out. I've got 3 beers and I'm drinking for me.
Number 7, number something, and number something else. You said this is the last one to drink. Why is that then? Is that the strongest, or?
Yeah, I think so. It's called a tonic.
Talk me through your beer tasting.
That tastes like beer. That tastes like beer. And that tastes like beer.
Beer tasting over, let's get back to our search for the best local Parma ham Bellagio had to offer.
So we've heard that one of the best things that you can get is a sauce from the area. It's called Dolmio, and we're trying to find somewhere that sells it. Nobody seems to sell Dolmio. Can't beat a danger poo.
What car was that?
Look, Silise.
Listen, if I got a job here, then you'd love that.
Yeah, would you? You'd be out all day. Yeah, I think the fact that we've got a dog in a jumper is blowing some people's minds. Imagine coming around that corner in your open top Lotus Elise and finding a dog in the jumper taking a crap at middle of the road.
Yeah.
Do you know where we're going?
No idea at all.
Restaurant La Punta. That looks a nice restaurant. So Bellagio's not that big unless we're missing something.
It's not, is it?
Tell you one thing that I'm disappointed in.
Yeah.
I thought it had a big casino. And a massive fountain.
Oh, baby, not here.
If anybody knows where the big fountain is and the casino, let us know. So you've ordered what?
Ravioli with spinach and sage.
I knew that anything starting with a G meant top quality, such as a G-Shock watch or a G-Wagon car, so I went for the G-Gnocchi.
And then we've got a bottle of local Chardonnay, which I thought were French, but it's French grape, but made in Italy. The view's all right as well. It is pushing 13 degrees, and me from Barnsley, if it gets any hotter, I'm going to have to take my top off.
It's like something I've made for you when you get home from work. So you've got the fruit, and I've got the limoncello.
Oh, is that how it works?
It's worked out well for me.
I think older you get, the more you're like observant.
Yeah.
So it's nice. You come here and you can soak it all in. When I was younger, probably not observed it much. I used to play Where's Wally? I could never find Wally. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah, I do,
But
yeah.
I've come here and straight away I found him. Trying to be civilised and like blend in.
Yeah, I'm struggling.
So, how do you drink limoncello? Is it like a shot?
You should just nick it, see what happens. I think you're supposed to sip it.
Are you?
Yeah, I think
You're
you're
supposed to down it like tequila. What are you doing? I might just neck it.
I don't really like it, I think the guy behind looking at you in disgust, Andrew. The sophisticated amongst us sip it like myself. Like this is really nice.
I can tell. You nearly had it all. That's to share that. Everybody in Bellagio, Lake Como is quite stylish, aren't they? So it's very difficult to stand out.
Got the shorts on that you slept in last night.
These are not just normal shorts, part of my basketball tracksuit. Listen, people that are rich, they like stories.
Yeah.
My tracksuit's got a story.
What? That you slept in it for 3 nights.
This hill's not right nice, is it?
Not after you've necked 2 limoncellos, or 1.5. I'm right in this coat. The coat is coming off. Guns are coming out.
Get ready. Oh, is that the famous one then?
Yes, this is the famous hotel.
Ah.
Here I am.
Oh, that's not a bad price. What's that?
120 euros for
For an olive.
for a well-fish salad.
Potato mousse? It's not even a proper thing.
Potato mousse? To me, mashed potato? I'm not paying 50 euros for a bowl of pasta.
Lago letter. semolina.
I used to quite like semolina as a kid.
I like semolina.
I also like potted meat sandwiches, but I don't pay 50 quid for one, do you? When I was sightseeing tour, I wonder how much that is. It doesn't say, does it?
Well, my nan used to have a saying, if there ain't a price on it, you can't afford it.
My nan had the same thing,
Olive wood handcrafts made in Bellagio.
Should we look at it?
Yeah? Oh, look at these. What are they? Thimble. So after ignoring the signs that said, well, I didn't ignore them, I just didn't see them.
Yeah.
It said, do not film, and I filmed loads. And she never said anything,
No,
so
she
very
didn't,
polite.
yeah.
And then Claire knocked all of the stand
After I
over.
broke her stand.
So we decided to spend some money.
This is cocktail bar, yeah. I don't know to have a Bellagio sunset.
Well, we ordered 2 drinks, and this turned up.
I like it here.
Look at that.
After an amazing day eating and drinking our way around Bellagio, we had one last thing to do to complete our trip. It was time to hunt down a local deli to buy the best local Parma ham Lake Como had to offer.
What else can we get? Is the ham, is that local as well?
A kind lady in the shop diplomatically informed me that there is no such thing as local Parma ham in Lake Como, as Parma ham comes from the region of Parma. Lake Como is not in Parma. Rather embarrassed by my touristy appearance, I picked up my things and wished her a tutti frutti, which means good day in Italian.
A little quick test.
Beautiful.
Show you who does like it.
Dabba dabba ding dong.
Bit posh that though for a dog.
It's lovely that. I like mine on bread.
And now we're going to try and get back to the ferry. So I think we found Bellagio Lake Como easy to get around
Very easy to get rid
and
of.
not particularly expensive.
No.
So what have we learned from our Bellagio adventure? Beer tastes like beer, limoncello is to be sipped, Parma ham is from Parma, and Claire has abs.